Hi. In the last video, we saw that we created the light touch PE media using MDT. Right now, we will use this ISO image to install operating system on another machine. Now, here I have my Launchiel 5. I will attach the light touch media here and I will start the machine. So as soon as I start my machine, I will be presented with the Microsoft Deployment Toolkit wizard, which will help me in installing the Windows 10 machine. This is Microsoft Deployment Toolkit wizard. We are on Launch CL5. I'll run the deployment wizard to install a new operating system. I'll specify the username and password which I provided while creating the deployment share. Now I'll choose the task sequence which I created there. That was Windows 10 install. Next. I can specify a computer name. Launch CL5. If I want to join my system to a domain, I can specify the domain name and the credentials. Next. If I want to restore any user data, next, next, begin. Now this installation is going to take around an hour